Hi honeyboos, welcome back to my channel. I welcome you all that are new. Thank you for opening this video, and to all those that are returning on this channel, thank you and you are welcome. And of course my regulars, honey, you're all welcome on this video, on this channel. Please do enjoy, because today I will be showing you guys how I install my lashes. It's really not that difficult, but I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this, and I hope this is going to be useful. And yeah, let me just get straight to the video. Okay, so first things first, guys. So usually when people have to put on their lashes, their fake lashes, they use a mascara to brush them, I get. But now I don't do that because my natural lashes are already a mess up. So the mascara on these lashes, it will literally be a waste of time. So now I don't use a mascara on my natural lashes when I have to put on the fake ones. So as you can see, here's my lash. I don't know if you can see this, but I've applied the glue already. So now the next step is I wait for my glue to dry. Not really dry totally, but just to be a bit dry on the fake lashes. I apply the glue here, right on top of my natural lashes, and this is what I do. You can see, right? Okay, now I'm gonna take my lash and blow it a bit because I don't think it's dried already. So another thing that you guys should be aware of is, usually when you put these fake lashes, this side shouldn't have a whole lot of lashes hair. You see, as you can see with this one, there's not much hair here than this side. Basically the lashes should be like this. Basically something that you need to check from both the lashes, and all that, right? We're just gonna install them. So usually what I do is I take my mirror, and I put it like this and look down on it, take my lash. I hope you guys can see. I look down and I take my lash and I apply. Right? So I start this side and then I come to the middle. Right? I come to the middle and then to the front. It's tricky, but you just need to be patient when it comes to applying your lashes. I believe it's a whole lot of work, honestly. So I usually really do struggle a lot when I have my nails on, but besides that, this is the trickiest. You just have to be patient. Back, middle, and front. That's the routine. So now, some people usually, when they put on their lashes, we can see the lining meat underneath here. You're not supposed to see it because it really looks unneat and it really doesn't look attracting at all. After that, you just want to ensure if it's really installed. And there we go. Done. It's installed. Ciao. So I don't know, so I'm gonna install the other one right now very quickly because I think it's drying up down there. And there we go, there we go. So here are your lashes. They're so nice, right? I know. So yeah, installing lashes are very easy. All you gotta do is to just be patient and take your time. I'm sorry, stay hydrated. Another thing that I actually not really forgot, but I wanted to show you this. Here's another pair of my lashes. So now, usually before you put them on, put on your lashes, the number one thing that I always do is, you guys can see, here's the lash, and then I apply the glue. While the glue is on the lash, I slightly fold the lash like this. I hope you guys will be able to see this. I fold it like this, so that these two parts can be combined a little bit, because this is the shape of your eye. We want to shape them, you know, so that these come straight like this, and then you're gonna struggle to put them on. You understand? So this is just what you're gonna do, and then you wait for it to dry, and then you put it on just like that. As simple as that. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in once again, and you know the drill. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and of course you can hit the notification button so that whenever I post, it can notify you. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a comment below. If you know a girl that really struggles with their lashes, share this video, honey, right now. Share this video, and thank you guys for tuning in once again. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you once again.